Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a data analysis report with Google Analytics. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Analytics website. Log in to your Google Analytics account using your credentials. Once logged in, select the property for which you want to create the data analysis report. On the left sidebar, click on Reports to access the reporting section. Choose a report category that aligns with your analysis goals, such as acquisition, behavior, or conversions. Within each category, explore the various subreports available to gather specific data insights. For a quick overview, consider the Audience Overview report to analyze general user behavior. Adjust the date range in the top right corner to focus on the specific time period for your analysis. Once you have selected your desired data points, you can further customize the report. Click on the Customize button to add or remove metrics and dimensions according to your needs. Utilize the Secondary Dimension feature to gain deeper insights by cross-referencing data. If you want to visualize your data, consider using the Graphs feature within each report. For a more comprehensive view, utilize the Export option to create a downloadable version of your report. Choose your preferred format, such as PDF or CSV, to save your data analysis report. After exporting, review the report to ensure all necessary information is included. Highlight key findings and insights based on the data collected. Consider presenting your data analysis report in a clear and structured format. Use clear headings and bullet points to enhance readability in your final document. Finally, ensure that your report concludes with actionable recommendations based on your analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.